We come to Lakeland College for a lot of reasons.
Hands-on learning opportunities and skills that will matter in the real world.
World-class labs and learning spaces.
A close-knit campus community.
We're here to go beyond the classroom with your support.
Because of you, I can take the lead on projects.
Because of you, I can make a meaningful impact.
Because of you, I can grow.
Because of you, I can compete and win.
Because of you, I can make friendships that will last for the rest of my life.
Because of you, I can test my ideas.
Because of you, I can create.
Because of you, I can find a sense of belonging.
Because of you, I can make my family proud.
Because of you, I can make myself proud.
Because of you, I am ready to take the next step.
Because of you, I can become a power engineer.
A technologist.
Successful business person.
A farmer.
An entrepreneur.
Because of you, I am ready for what's next.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.